fucked up.
Yeah, you can use a flathead screwdriver. I personally prefer using a card or something.
Is your phone left on the right thing?
Yeah. Just to, make sure that I'm not breaking anything. And then you can kind of grab it from the bottom. And, you gotta take this off.
Twist.
And then you just kind of gradually pull up on this, right? And you slide it up, and then you can examine everything if you want to, but easier way to do this is go ahead and unplug that, unplug this. Well, that one's being a little bit of a bitch. No, it's tab.
Get the airplane.
So once you got this out, you got all this shit over here. You got this little thing right here. You're just gonna want to pull up on there. I was kind of aggressive with it. You don't have to be that aggressive. And this is the main bulb that we're trying to replace. I'm not sure if this one's for both the ashtray light. I'm not sure where it's at exactly, but
Probably the same one, isn't it? It all went out at the same time. Should I cut it?
Huh?
Should I cut it off?
Yeah, cut it off.
Got all 4 of them out. I didn't even get that shot.
And pull that up. Pull this up.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little tight, but you're gonna want to save this sleeve because it actually
Do you want me to take it off since I ain't got gloves on? It should go up and down. It looks like it goes up and down. I don't even get that shit.
you're gonna want to. It's pretty much impossible to do this without doing what I did, but you're gonna want to put it in straight and then turn it to lock it in place. And then make sure that you snap everything back into place and make sure everything's aligned to where it was. And once that's all back together, well, you know what that means.
Make sure that's in park.
We gotta put this little baby back together. Speech work, boyfriend. Okay, once everything. Okay, so go ahead, reconnect that one. Slide this in. Reconnect this one. And make sure you're connecting it the right way. Okay. Heard the little clicks. This is a little bit of a bitch to go down, but everything should snap in just like that.
So we forgot this.
Don't forget this
Don't do
cover.
this.
Sure you line up them holes and stuff. See how it just snaps on there, all clean and flush like? No, actually I'm saving that for the end of the video. It's basic Asian engineering. Slide them babies back in.
It's not our cats, is it?
No. You know what I'm saying? Just line it up, snap it in place. Go ahead and slide that back. You know, I like mine extra firm. I like my ash, so